Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Darissa Rain, aka Riri, and I love my BOXYCHARM. This is the BOXYCHARM for the month of February 2020. If you're unfamiliar with BOXYCHARM, it is a $25 monthly subscription where you receive 5 full-size makeup, skincare, beauty items. It is one of my favorite boxes. I definitely always feel like you get your bang for your buck here. So let's hop on in. You guys know I do not get spoilers ever. Let's jump on in. Oh, there's no card. And looking for the card, I now see all the items that are in my box. Okay, well, I don't see a card, so I will look up items and put the pricing right here for y'all. First up is an Evio Skin times Aurora. Don't know anything about that. Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. Awesome. Okay. That is what they look like. I'm not sure if this is a full-size product. Of course, there's no information on my box unless my card is hiding. So this says cannabis, sativa seed oil, balancing for anti-fatigue. Let's see. Gently go over your skin. Okay. Aurora Cannabis is one of the world's largest cannabis companies and is defining the future of cannabis worldwide. The Aurora certified label ensures quality, thoughtfully curated with Evio to provide a unique hemp-based product. The Aurora certified cannabis sativa oil or hemp used in all collaborative Evio Skin and Aurora products is 100% grown in Canada. All right, cool. I'm going to kind of research these a little bit more. I do have quite a few kind of skincare products that are hemp derived. So that's pretty neat. Next up, I see a Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. I will have to look at this and I will try it. You guys know that I'm not a huge fan. Does it say loose? I don't think it says loose. I'm not a huge fan of loose setting powders. I do like the Becca one that we got quite a few months back. I really love that stuff a whole lot. So let's see what this is. Yeah, this is loose. I am going to look this up and see, you know, if talc or anything like that is like the very first ingredient in it. And we will see. Just with my allergies and things like that, it's hard for me to use loose powders. That's why you guys rarely ever see me use them. But I do know that this is probably very close to the price of the box. So, I mean, it's something cool to have, and I love coconut. Next up, I see one of my favorite brands from probably 20 years ago, plus, is a Laura Geller New York. This is the Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator in Gilded Honey. I know a few years back, this was like the shit. Everybody on the planet wanted this damn highlighter. And I have had a couple of these. So I will open it up and show you guys up close. And we'll do a little swatcheroo. This I have always said is a more hard pressed type of a highlighter. But they are blinding. They do last on the skin all day long. You just kind of, for me, I kind of equate it to like how the Resi highlighters are, where you kind of really have to dig in there, or like the Nabla ones or something like that. Let's go in and just do a little zhuzh. I mean, can't really try much else on, so we're going to get in here and just see how she looks, but I have used this before, and I really do like it. I've used Laura Geller, like I said, for probably very close to 20 years, probably longer than that, but I've been a QVC junkie since I was 9 years old, which is 1.5 million years ago. So yeah, I'm very familiar with Laura Geller and her products and her, so I love this. That's awesome. I will 100% be keeping that. Next up is a Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation in the shade Vanilla. And this, I'm assuming, is a full size. So that is pretty damn awesome. I'm excited about that. And this right here looks really cool. Yeah, there's no pamphlet. So, sorry guys. And I don't know what version it is then either. So, okay. Well, I'm a little bummed about that, but it's cool. It's cool. We can look up pricing. Next is a Luxie. I did not even know they made sponges. Complete Sponge Set, Bake, Contour, and Detail. Really cool. It is a Luxie Detail Blender, a Precision Blender, and a Powder Blender. And they're cool because it's like in cool little, like, skin tone type of shades. That is really nice. I do want to open this up really quickly and just feel them and see how they feel. You guys know I don't actually apply my foundation with a blender. However, I put my foundation on and then kind of really press it out and smooth it out. I spray my skin multiple times in my makeup application and use my blenders to press that out. I use blenders for cutting, of course, my jawline, my cheek line. I use blenders to, do my concealer. So I'm really excited. This is really pretty too. So I'm just going to grab one. And this is supposed to be, I guess, the baking sponge. Oh, I like that. I really like that. That is pretty damn cool. You can get super precise, and then you also have two sides, so that's pretty neat. And then also the smaller side, or you can use the itty bitty little baby blender. Oh my god. Okay, that's cute. All right, so overall, pretty bomb down box. I will, of course, look up products, pricing and stuff like that. The only thing that I'm a little tiny bit unsure of is the powder. I'm honestly probably not going to even try it just because I don't like to try things if I know that I'm not going to use them. But then I'm nervous because the Becca one is fabulous and I love it and have used it. So y'all let me know. Have you guys tried this? Have you heard of it? Do you like it? Let me know. Let your girl know. So that is it. Yeah, definitely short and sweet. And oddly enough, more skincare based this time, I feel like, or like more complexion based, which I'm okay with and I'm a fan of. I like to get a variety of different things, and I think this is pretty cool that we kind of have tools to put the foundation on with. This foundation feels really heavy, by the way. I do want to look at it real quick. Take a shot every time I say I do want to look at it real quick and see what she looks like. Whoa, that's pretty light. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But it's a really heavy, beautiful glass bottle. With a pump. I used to use the Becca Aqualuminous. Oh my god, it was like my holy grail. It was the shit. So I already know that I like Becca's formula overall, and I'm excited to try this one. So that is my box for the month of February. Overall, very happy, very pleased, and now I get to go watch you guys. So that is it, beauties. If you have not already, I would love if you subscribe to my channel and tap that little notification bell down there. If you did that, I'd be so grateful and thankful. And please always remember to be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties!